everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best makeup bags that I've been loving lately. First on my list is this amazing OCHEAL travel makeup bag. It has everything you need to organize your cosmetics, like flexible Velcro dividers that let you customize the space for different products, a separate compartment for brushes, and an extra zipper pocket for small items. The quality is superb, with soft and padded material, reliable zippers, and nice lining. It is also water-resistant and easy to clean. What I love most about this bag is how light and compact it is, making it perfect for traveling. It fits easily in any suitcase or bag, and it weighs only 7.8 ounces. This is definitely a great bag for anyone who loves makeup. Next up is this awesome AFSTEE drawstring makeup bag that comes with 2 bags in one. Each bag has a small makeup bag and a PVC clear bag inside, giving you 6 pieces in total. You can use these bags for various purposes, such as cosmetic bag, skincare bag, toiletry bag, travel storage bag, and more. They are great for both home and travel use, and they can also store your jewelry, contact lenses, and other small items. The bags are made of high-quality polyester fiber with waterproof coating, so they are durable and easy to clean. They are also portable, lightweight, and waterproof, so you can carry them anywhere and keep your stuff organized. This is a perfect gift for any woman who loves makeup and skincare. Another bag that I really like is this large version travel makeup bag organizer that has plenty of space for all your cosmetics. It can store them upright, so you don't have to worry about spills or leaks. It also has a separate compartment for brushes and facial masks, keeping them clean and hygienic. The design is unique and exquisite, with 4 small pockets in the main compartment for your lipstick, mirror, makeup tools, and more. The zippers are smooth and easy to open and close. This bag is not only a travel must-have, but also a cute gift for any woman who loves makeup. The 4th bag on my list is this waterproof cosmetic case that is made of high-quality PU leather material. It is washable and easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about any leakage when traveling. It is also light-weighted and roomy, with a size of 9x6x 4.5 inch. It can hold all kinds of beauty essentials securely for your travel. The design is unique and versatile, with a wide, durable handle and a sturdy zipper. It can be used as a makeup organizer, toiletry wash bag, pencil case, and daily handbag. It is suitable for outdoor, business trip, camping, travel, gym room, indoor, and household storage. It is also a functional makeup bag, cosmetic bag, and travel organizer bag. Finally, the 5th bag on my list is this amazing makeup bag made of high-quality Oxford fabric and nylon lining. It has plenty of storage space for all your makeup and cosmetic accessories, as well as other items like jewelry, electronics, camera, etc. It also has adjustable compartments and makeup brushes slots, so you can organize your makeup tools as you like. And the best part is, it is portable, lightweight, waterproof, shockproof, anti-wear, and spill-proof, making it the perfect travel makeup case for any occasion. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle videos.